A lot of people are going smaller with their celebrations these days, and these cute mini cakes are becoming so popular on my menu. I have done about 10 of them in the last month. Let us decorate this cute mini cake together. So I started off with a cake that's already filled, stacked and crumb coated. It's just a 4-inch 2-layer cake, perfect mini cake for an intimate celebration. My client requested this nice shade of pink to be the base color for her cake, and as you can see, I put a lot of buttercream on the top of the cake and then work my way down the sides of the cake. And this is what I do with any cake, no matter the size of the cake. Put buttercream on top, work your way down the side of the cake. As you can see, the consistency of my buttercream, it's very nice and smooth and a soft consistency, so I'm not dragging it over my cake and digging back into my crumb coat. It is smooth enough to easily spread onto my cake. I frosted the cake a little bit above the actual height of the cake, and as you can see, I pulled the buttercream in on the lip of the cake. Always clean your cake board up. One thing I hate to see is when clients are given their cakes and the board is all messy. Take a few extra minutes just to clean up your cake board and make your cake look very presentable. I'm using this open star piping tip to create some nice borders at the top of the cake, and I'll bring that same piping tip down to the base of the cake just to make the cake design look cohesive and very nice. Look at that. I am going to just soften this pink shade of buttercream with a little bit of white piping around the bottom edge and the inner top part of the cake. I'm doing these S-shaped pipings. See that cute little S-shaped piping along the base of the cake, and I'll bring that same beautiful piping along the top edge of the cake.